Fortem are part of the Wilmot-Dixon Group, and we provide property solutions to a number of social housing clients. We delivered around 300,000 repairs last year and improved around 15,000 homes. And that end-to-end journey, that customer experience, is absolutely critical. Our end customer is the resident, and it's their home, and people are really precious about their homes, and we want to make sure we respect that in our journey, however they want to contact us, and ultimately helping them have a better home to live in. So the unique approach we took to this, to deciding to go with Talkdesk, was actually to get the users to pick it. They drove the selection process.
The biggest benefit with Talkdesk is the user interface. It's very adaptable to what you need.
There's definitely been thought into the person using the product. It's quite self-intuitive, whereas our previous product wasn't, and that was also a risk for us at times, that we only had a couple of people that really knew it inside out. We were able to go from, not just moving voice from one system to another, but we were able to put some quick wins in there.
We have to hit a call quality monitoring score of over 80%. Using Talkdesk, we're hitting the currently 90 to 95%. Calls answered within 30 seconds. It really allows us to improve customer satisfaction.
We're always talking about technology, new innovation, automate. So we get the foundations right, and then let's build on it with some of the clever technology.
We're able to use mood insights to look at our third parties, so we can categorise what sort of repairs that they're logging. In the past, we'd have to go through manually for each single call. There's a lot of things that Talkdesk offers, being able to triage calls at the start, being able to use AI to log what's said in the IVR.
One of the reasons we chose Talkdesk was the integrations that it could have, whether that was using WhatsApp, Facebook, and looking at different chat elements, so that Fortem can drive our contact centre offering further forward.
The breadth of experience Talkdesk had gave us the comfort and confidence. This is a standard, proven, scalable platform. And as customer needs and residents expect more from a contact solution, the product will evolve with that. That kind of thing, and what Talkdesk can bring us, will help us build on that and position ourselves as really a customer resident centric service provider.